The simple phrase, "warm vibes only," serves as the foundational principle for this remarkable mobile dwelling, a structure that transcends mere spatial efficiency to cultivate an atmosphere of profound, soothing comfort. Instead of adhering to the stark, often rigid dogma of minimalist tiny living, this particular home leverages the established optimistic tenets of mid-century modern design, a style celebrated for its organic forms and dialogue with the natural world to forge an environment that truly nourishes the soul. The brilliance of the aesthetic lies in its expert convergence of clean, unpretentious lines with inherently warm, sensory materials like deep-toned woods and rich, comforting fabrics. This conscious stylistic direction elevates the compact interior from a basic shell into a veritable personal sanctuary, presenting a powerful counter-narrative that one can simultaneously reduce their physical footprint and immerse themselves in a stylish, deeply engaging, and emotionally satisfying space where true domestic bliss takes precedence. The achievement of this constant sense of warmth is rooted in a series of smart, strategic architectural decisions that seamlessly blend the nostalgia of the mid-century look with the stringent requirements of small-scale design. The mid-century influence is powerfully asserted through the generous deployment of expansive windows and high, strip-like clear-story openings, which act as visual anchors, ensuring the interior is constantly saturated with ambient light, a critical factor in visually extending the space and fostering an upbeat mood. Inside, the floor plan consciously promotes a fluid, singular living zone, often centered around an essential element of relaxation. Whether it's a beautifully crafted, highly efficient wood stove or a plush, built-in seating area draped in inviting textures. Moreover, key structural components, like natural wood beams or carefully paneled walls, directly echo the mid-century's philosophy of blurring the lines between nature and shelter, imbuing every nook with a gentle, consistent warmth. Every deliberate design choice, from the characteristic slender furniture legs to the concealed, multifunctional cabinetry, is focused on enhancing both the home's period-appropriate style and its feeling of effortless, settled occupancy. It is within the interior design palette that this residence truly establishes its signature radiance. The approach intentionally steers clear of cold, neutral hues, instead embracing the saturated, earthy spectrum made famous in the mid-20th century. Bold, rich tones like deep mustard, fiery terracotta, tranquil forest green, and classic peacock blue are injected throughout the space via carefully selected soft furnishings, geometric area rugs, and artful ceramic elements. These vibrant chromatic moments are expertly balanced by the pervasive presence of varied, genuine wood grains, often showcasing a harmonious blend of different species, which acts as a grounding force, preventing the overall aesthetic from tipping into overpowering kitsch. Tactility is equally valued. Soft-to-the-touch velvets, chunky knitted fabrics, and intricately woven natural fibers are deliberately layered, encouraging physical interaction and deep repose. The kitchen further contributes to the inviting atmosphere, commonly featuring custom, artisanal cabinetry and charming, retro-styled appliances that privilege emotional appeal and character over cold, industrial finishings. This meticulous arrangement of colors, textures, and bespoke pieces ensures the house feels consistently authentic and affectionately cherished. Fundamentally, this cozy mid-century tiny house represents a compelling choice for intentional, conscious living. The act of moving into a dwelling so keenly defined by warmth and aesthetic quality signals a purposeful rejection of the societal pressure for endless material accumulation, prioritizing enduring quality and personal contentment instead. The highly optimized, small-scale construction inherently champions a more sustainable mode of existence, frequently incorporating salvaged, upcycled, or regionally sourced materials and organically promoting a more immediate tactile relationship with the outdoors. Be it through small gardening projects or simply mindful appreciation of the surrounding view, by placing emphasis on thoughtfully acquired, meaningful objects and cultivating a distinct feeling rather than maximizing sheer square footage. The warm vibes only home serves as a groundbreaking template for contemporary domesticity. It is irrefutable proof that downsizing can be profoundly rewarding and aesthetically rich, standing as an inspirational figurehead for a stylish, ethical, and continuously welcoming way of life.